Hola, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe for more cool little tool videos. It's been hectic, it's been crazy, and I just haven't had a chance to show you guys the new lights that I got in. We have the EDC29, which I am, spoiler, really loving. And then we also have this MT1A Pro, which is more of your traditional little pocket light. It also doubles as a hat clip. So I feel like an EDC, although this one's gonna have an exception, needs to do, a few things. It needs to be pocketable or be able to put on a keychain. It needs to be pretty bright. This one here goes up to 800 lumens. This massive one goes to 6,500 lumens. And the modes, I'll show them right now, but these have been really cool from Nitecore. It's just been hectic. I have a mess in the van. That's the one that I've shown before, the Tip SE. This one has been on my keychain for years. Recently just changed it out for trying different flashlights. But this one was always really good, really bright. And this one had a clip too, but the clip, I broke it and then I lost another one and it would double as a hat clip. So let me show you and get into these. Nitecore sent these out for me to review. Like I said, I've been a big fan because I've used Nitecore flashlights in the past, and we'll get into it. All right, so we'll cover the small one real quick. This is the flashlight here. You can take a hat. It has a clip that you can clip in your pocket. Pant pocket, whatever it is, but it also has, it goes the other way too. So right here you can clip it to your hat and then you're able to use it as a headlamp. I use that feature quite a bit. I forgot that I took the battery out. So that was going to be my other point with this one. I know some guys have mentioned they prefer when it's a removable. This is a USB-C rechargeable battery. You can also use AA batteries, but this one, as you can see, you need to take the battery out and then plug it in. So I was letting it charge, and that's why I had it out. Let me put it back in. So it's rechargeable, but replaceable. So now you have the light there, like I said. This one has the mode where you bump it. I've seen a lot of lights with that now, and that's how you switch between the modes. And you can get anywhere from 50 at the low setting to 300 at medium and high at 800 lumens. And I'll leave that there for you guys to check out. But you get anywhere from 1 hour on high to 10 hours on low. So pretty good selection there. Also, if you use a AA battery, it gives you some stats on that too. Low is 50. High or medium is 200 lumens, and you get anywhere from an hour and a half on medium to 5 hours, and that's if you want to throw a AA battery in there too. So you do get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and you do get a lanyard for your little light there. So pretty versatile. This is going to go in my tool pouch, the MPMX. I like having one of these in there, and I like having the bigger flashlight in my main bag, which brings me to this Nitecore, and it has a nice little screen here, if you guys can see. I'll kind of show these in better detail. So I like that there is a lock here, that way you don't accidentally turn it on, because I didn't do that at first and I kept turning it on. You got two buttons on top. One, if you hold it, it is the max, and it'll show you there how long you can have that on. It does get hot. Now this one is super nice because you have a variation of different modes on here. So like I said, it has an ultra low at 15 lumens, and then the low is 100, medium 400, high 1200, search is 3000, and then the floodlight is 6500. And you get anywhere from those two high ones, you're not going to be able to run them that long. It actually, like I showed, has a little bar that shows you how long. It's a few seconds. But your high is 2 hours, and you can get it anywhere up to 13 hours on low, or the ultra low 15 lumens is going to be 61 hours. So this, in general, this flashlight has lasted me. I've charged it once and it gave me, because I usually use medium, gives you like 3 hours. So there is the chart there for you guys to check out. Oh, this big flat button on this side is a customizable button. You can switch basically between that torch mode, and you can change it by holding and pushing the power button, and now it's always going to be a strobe mode, and you can go back by doing that again. So I like having that ultra high mode, the floodlight. And then your other one, the small one, is your power button. If you give it a tap and not push it all the way down, you can go through the different settings, so you can see, it'll tell you what mode and what lumens you're on. And if you hold it, it actually lights up, and then you can let it go. Or you push it all the way down and it stays on, and then you can also tap it to adjust the brightness. And then all the way down again, turns it off. And like I said, you have a little lock switch on this side. That way you don't accidentally turn it on in your pocket, because I do carry this one a lot now. Once I get down to a job site, I'll take it out and I kind of have it in my pocket at all times. You have this super heavy duty metal clip on the back, and it's super rugged. It's made out of like this metal, and I like the little LED screen to give you, it does tell you like how long, like when you turn it on, it's gonna say the lumens, and then it's gonna flash how long you have on that setting. So on my medium setting, I'm gonna have over an hour left still. So pretty cool. The charging port is on the other side of the switch. You have your charging port there, and that's about it. This one, with that long clip here, I just clip it on the side of the bag and then take it out when I need it. It's super bright to where I can just lay it somewhere and light up a whole cabinet or whatever it is that I'm working in where it's really dark. So I've used magnetic lights and other lights. So this would have been cool if it had some sort of magnetic feature or hook to it. But at the end of the day, it's a really nice handheld flashlight, and I can have it in my pocket, not take up much space because of how slim it is. And then just laying it somewhere and putting it on one of the higher modes, medium or high, lights up quite a bit. So it does come with the USB-C to A cable as well, Nitecore branded. And I believe it came with this little clip, so you get a braided lanyard with it. I guess that's what it's for. I don't know. That came with it. I don't think I'm going to use that. But yeah, thanks to Nitecore for sending out these flashlights. Like I said, this style goes in my small, like super small tool pouch. It kind of fits in one of the little screwdriver pockets real easy, or you can clip it on with that super long metal clip. That metal clip does come off if you don't want it on there. It just clips off and then clips back on, so you can store it away however you want. This one is just super neat. Has the OLED screen right there, gives you information. That way you're not guessing as to like what setting you're on. I've been using it for a couple weeks. I've really enjoyed it. It's just a handheld flashlight. It's not, like I said, magnetic, or, you know, you can't prop it up anywhere. You can't clip it to your hat, but it's kind of heavy. So just a really cool flashlight to put in your side pocket, take it out when you need it, and it gets super bright. So thanks again to Nitecore. I appreciate you guys for checking out this impromptu tool review video. I'll leave all the links down below if you guys want to check them out for yourself. You can never have too many flashlights. That's one of my, you know, like vices or guilty pleasure, whatever you want to call it, having a ton of really cool lights. And like I said, I've used them plenty of times and recommended the Tip SE. So I'll also link this down below. I've showcased this in videos. If I can find those, I'll link those. But the Tip SE is a nice keychain light. And then, you know, this one is the next one up. These two can be used on your hat as a headlamp. And then this one is just one that you want to have on you that can get plenty bright. So go check them out. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys.